Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain how I turned a language arts project into an engineering project. The project was called Make Art Happen. We had to choose a book, find a quote, and make a piece of artwork out of it. I panicked a little bit when I heard about this because I can't do art at all. I can't even draw an apple. Ah, man. So I had to find a way to get out of drawing and painting. So I was looking through examples that people have done in the past years, and I saw drawings, paintings, and then I saw models. And then I thought, models, CAD design, 3D printing. I could turn this into an engineering project. So here's what I did. It's the model of a quote on a 3D printed movable object. My quote was, "You see, though we travel together, we travel alone." Madeleine L'Engle, A Wrinkle in Time. Found on page 75. What this does is when you press the small arrows down, the larger arrow comes up, and vice versa. These both interchange because the small arrows represent the people traveling as individuals, even though they are all going on the same journey. So after it was all said and done, we got our grades back. It's okay, I got a 100. No more rant videos about a certain 96 that I might have got on a science project. So a few weeks later, we had a class of elementaries come into our middle school to learn about what middle school language arts is going to be like. About 20 kids from our honors language arts class got to present their Make Art Happen projects. I was one of them. They went around and saw all the projects, and after the presentation, we all got the option to put ours in a display case. I did do that until the last week of school so I could make this video. This project was a really great experience for me because I got to learn a lot about CAD modeling and a lot about my model of 3D printer. It was very useful for developing my skills, and I used Tinkercad, which helped me get used to the CAD modeling world. It was my first big project, and I started 2 weeks before everybody else, but it's not a competition. I just really like engineering. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.